In Charlottesville, Virginia, Jared Ethan West, a former IT support specialist for the City of Charlottesville, has initiated a federal lawsuit against the city and several of its officials. This legal action claims employment discrimination and breaches of the Americans with Disabilities Act, known as the ADA. The lawsuit, officially filed on April 25, 2024, in the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Virginia, unravels a sequence of events sparked by Mr. West's revelation of his epilepsy and related conditions, factors he believes led to his unfair dismissal. The story begins when Mr. West suffered a seizure at work on January 13, 2022. Despite having been previously praised for his performance, the complaint indicates a drastic shift in his relationship with his supervisors post-disclosure of his condition. He had requested reasonable accommodations, including a modified work schedule and the option to work from home as needed. However, instead of support, Mr. West reportedly faced retaliation. This included reprimands and being placed on administrative leave. He was also compelled to provide excessive medical documentation to return to work, a process he described as humiliating and unnecessary. The culmination of these events was his termination on March 18, 2022. Which Mr. West directly attributes to his disability and his appeals for reasonable accommodations. He is now seeking reinstatement, back pay, compensation for emotional distress, and an overhaul of the city's policies regarding disability accommodations. The defendants, including IT Director Steve Hawkes, IT Operations Manager Maria Weiss, and Human Resources Representative Flora Kelly Bircher, have yet to publicly respond to the allegations. This lawsuit underscores the persistent challenges related to workplace discrimination and the rights of disabled employees, advocating for more stringent enforcement of the ADA and improved employer education on accommodating disabled workers. As the case progresses, questions linger about the reasonableness of the City of Charlottesville's actions concerning Mr. West's accommodation requests and whether his termination was indeed justified. The resolution to these questions might ultimately rest with a federal jury, as the plaintiff has requested a jury trial. Follow Breaking Through News on the Newsbreak app, YouTube, or our website, breakingthrough.com, for updates as the defendants respond to Mr. West's complaint.